like to start the presentation of our new device by describing the path that we have already passed. Then we will show how the market reacted to our new technologies, and we will tell you our plans for the near future. So, where did it all start? We found a factory in China that are interested in partnership. We procured the source code for the mounted chipset and found a buyer for the first production. Then we developed an additional option for using DVB without a TV, a set finder option, remote diagnostics functions including a spectrum analyzer, Open Web AP, extension and application for mobile devices. Then we implemented security framework to ensure that our technologies cannot be tampered with or stolen, and developed our own manufacturing quality assurance, providing confidence and consistency in the HW quality. Then we made the first production, sent samples to certain companies and those people whose opinion we consider important and authoritative. Real sales also started. As a result, we collected feedback, and this is what we have got. The most demanded option for the consumer is the usage without TV set. The younger generations that don't watch TV set at all watch channels on smartphones. For example, my son watches sports and Dr. Discovery, Nat Geo, etc., especially when they don't have internet access. Also, DVB-T2 streaming option is great for many countries. That means combo model is better than DVB-S2. STB must have LAN, because many simple routers have a problem to receive the stream via Wi-Fi and to send it to another device in local network. The best usage is to connect to the router, to install application and to watch. Also, user can make access point on their smartphone instead of a router. That is why STB must have embedded Wi-Fi. Next popular demand, which is very good for the market, is the diagnostics, especially remote diagnostics. It is full with spectrum analyzer. We can fix remotely bad cable, broken LNB, problem with tuner, power supply faults, interference, and etc. And even the strong wind with 3D LNB usage. Now user can make the report and send it to the operator or installer. Next stage will be the server creation when operator or installer make the report without user. And next stage, fix-it-yourself instructions for users. Next great option is the semi-professional set finder. Within a few months, we will develop DVB-T2 finder. Next option is Open Web AP. We found interest in Arabic countries for modifying the extension. Initially, we were somewhat confused, because in Russia the extension was a very unpopular solution. We made the application. In any case, Open Web AP can lead to the community creation. Any web programmer can add his own options and make his own applications or extensions. And we think it will work great for Europe, because there are many programmers and our solution is much simpler than Enigma or Android. Programmers aren't required to update the software on the receiver. It is sufficient to use existing commands. Last demand is the 3D installation process. It can be great for a certain dish with certain elevation, if you sell a set of equipment. That is why our second model with Montage 2230M3 is much better. It is combo with LAN and HEVC, as we think it will be our flagship. Model 2 will be shipped in 1-2 months. Then we will make third model, DVB-T2 only. Please let us know if you are interested in our technologies. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will also be up to date with the latest news and developments.